Hello guys, now this is our second part of it. Okay, so now we are that first part is of introduction. Okay, now we are going to see area and parameter of triangles. Okay, this is our second part. Okay, so first part I was tell you about the introduction. What is parameter, what is area, okay, what is the units of it, right? I will tell you these things, right? So today's topic is area and parameter of triangles. We will see area and parameter of triangles. Okay, means what are the area and parameter of the triangles. So first of all, common area and parameter is, we know the area of triangle is 1 upon 2 into base into height. Okay, and the parameter is sum of all sides of a triangle. Let me tell you area of triangle, right? Area of triangle is, let's suppose this area, this is the area. Okay, so what is the area of triangle? 1 upon 2 into base into height. Let us solve you this portion. This is known your base, this part is known your base, and these two parts known your height, right? These two parts known your height. So your base, let's suppose your base will be 4, height will be 8, right? This is your base, this line. If you can't understand, let me tell you, this is your base and this is your height. These both will be your height. Okay, so let's suppose this will be 4 cm and 8 the height will be 8 cm, right? So let's do the problem. That is 1 by 2 multiply, what is the value of b? Base 4, right? And height 8. If we divide 2 by 4 or 8 anything, so we got 2. When we multiply 2 into 8, what is the answer? 16, right? 16 will be your answer, 16 cm. So this will be your area of triangle. So you can see how I find the area of triangle. Very simple. If you know the values, means if you know the base and height, you have to substitute that value in the base and height and multiply. If it is divided, so you can divide, or if it is not divided, you have to just do the multiply and your answer will be in front of your eyes. Okay, so this is how we find the area of triangle. Okay, I think this is very simple. You all know, you must know, it is very mandatory and simple as well, because you are, I think, learning from the 6th and 7th, from 5th, not 6th even, from 5th, right? Next is, what is the parameter? Parameter of triangle is sum of 3 sides of a triangle, means sum of all sides. Suppose again if we draw the same triangle, okay, this is 8, this is 2, this is 2. Okay, B is sum of all sides, means we have to add both of them. Means all the sides, means this is your one side, this will be your second side, this will be your third side, means we have to add all the sides. 2 plus 2 plus 8, what will be the answer? What? 12, right? 12 cm will be your answer. And if we are finding the area, the square is mandatory, means if you are finding the area, so you have to find the square, means 12 centimeter square. And if you finding the parameter, simply you can write centimeter, millimeter, everything. Okay, so this how we find the area, right? Parameter, sorry, not area, parameter of triangle, sum of all the 3 sides. Now let's come to our talk, means the 9th class talk. Okay, from till here, from here till here, we was that's so aware about the things. We know the formula, we can do it very rapidly, we know within a span of time. Okay, but now let's see what will be the area and parameter of types of triangle, means these both things are for These both things are for just for a child can tell you. Okay, a child can tell you guys. These are that so simple. But now this is these both things, equilateral triangle and isosceles triangle. We are going to see the area of these things. Okay, so the area of equilateral triangle. Now what is this equilateral triangle? Let me tell you. Okay, host all the three sides are same will be your equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle are those triangle whose three sides are equal. All the three sides means this side as well, this side and this side. All the three sides are equal. While a triangle, if we talk about triangle whose two sides means either this side, let me erase it first. Either this side means any two sides are same. This side is same is equal to this. So this is known as isosceles triangle. Okay, this will be your isosceles triangle. So what will be the area, what will be the formula of area of equilateral triangle? Means equilateral triangle means all the three sides of a triangle who has all the three sides are same. What will be the formula for that? Formula will be under root 3 divided by 4 multiplied by side square. Multiply by side square. This will be your area of equilateral triangle. Okay, so next is what will be the area of isosceles triangle. Just ignore the traffic sound. Okay, just ignore the traffic sound. What will be the area of isosceles triangle? The area of isosceles triangle will be 1 upon 4 multiply b. B means breadth. B multiply under root 4a square minus b square. Okay, where a is what? A is the length of each equal side of a triangle. And where is b? B means the length of base. Simple. This will be your the isosceles triangles area, right? Next is very mandatory formula, I think so. Okay, which I think you will be hearing for the very first time, or if you know, so it is well and good. Okay, so the formula which we are going to discuss is Heron's formula. Okay, what is this Heron's formula, right? Now what is this Heron's formula? This Heron's formula is that formula means if you don't know the sides of all the triangles, suppose आपके पास कोई भी एक triangle है that is equilateral or isosceles, it doesn't matter. अगर आपको उसकी तीनों साइड नहीं पता है, right? आपको उसकी तीनों साइड नहीं पता है, so you can use this formula known as Heron's formula. ओके, मीन्स किसी भी ट्राइंगल की किसी भी साइड को फाइंड कर सकता है ये हेरॉन्स फॉर्मूला. आपको ये 8th क्लास में भी आया होगा एंड इवन 9th में भी होगा, 10th में भी होगा, बट 7th 8th में ये नहीं है, right? It is not in primary classes which is in 7th and 8th. It is in 6th and 7th. It is in 8th, 9th, 10th and further classes. It is not in 6th and 7th, right? So Heron's formula क्या है? If you don't know the side of any triangle, किसी भी triangle की आपको side नहीं पता है, numerical value नहीं दी है, तो you can find by this formula name as Heron's formula. What is the area of Heron's formula? Under root s minus a bracket में s minus a, then again bracket start s minus b bracket close, then again bracket start s minus c bracket close. This will be your area of Heron's formula. जहाँ पे a b c क्या है? These are the sides of the triangle, right? These are the sides of the triangle. Now यहीं पे बात खत्म नहीं होती है. Next is semi parameter. What is semi parameter? Half parameter, right? So for that it is s is equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2. A plus b plus c are your sides of the triangle which is used for this area. These are your sides of the triangle, right? So what will be the semi parameter? That is a plus b plus c divided by 2. आपको semi parameter मिल जाएगा, right? So इसके ऊपर एक प्रॉब्लम भी चलो कर लेते हैं. Okay, let's do one problem regarding about the Heron's formula. It is very mandatory, I think so. So let's come to the not formula, numerical. So this is the problem based on Heron's formula. Okay, the problem is find the area of a triangle whose two sides are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively, and the parameter is 42 centimeter. Means इसमें क्या कहा है, हमें triangle का area find करना है जिसकी दो sides दी हैं. That is the first side is 18 centimeter and the second side that is 10 centimeter respectively. पैरामीटर दिया गया है that is 42 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ दो साइड्स दी गई हैं आपको, ठीक है, दैट इज 18 सेंटीमीटर एंड 10 सेंटीमीटर. थर्ड साइड आपने फाइंड करनी है. हाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड, आपने कोई ना कोई वेरिएबल ले लेना है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे मैं सॉल्व करता हूँ. ओके, सॉल्यूशन इज आवर, इट विल टेक लिटिल बिट टाइम. सो हमें फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्या करना है, कोई भी ए बी सी को कोई भी हमें ट्राइंगल की साइड्स मान लेनी है, कोई भी वेरिएबल. तो मैंने ए बी सी मान लिया. मीन्स लेट ए बी सी विल बी द, सॉरी थोड़ा टाइम ले रहा है, साइड्स ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल, राइट. TRI स्टैंड्स फॉर ट्राइंगल. ठीक है, मैं थोड़ा सा छोटे शॉर्ट में लिख देता हूँ वरना बहुत टाइम हो जाएगा. ट्राई मीन्स ट्राइंगल. ठीक है, लेट ए बी सी विल बी द साइड्स ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल. ओके, हमें पैरीमीटर निकालना है. पैरीमीटर को PERI पैरी लिख देता हूँ. दिस रिफर्स टू पैरीमीटर. याद रखिए मैं शॉर्ट फॉर्म यूज़ कर रहा हूँ बिकॉज आई एम नॉट हैविंग दैट सो टाइम. ओके, पैरामीटर क्या होगा, सम ऑफ ऑल साइड्स होता है. ऑब्वियसली वी नो. तो हमें तीनों साइड्स जो हमने अभी साइड्स मानी है, क्या क्या साइड्स मानी है, ए बी सी, ये साइड्स मानी है. तो हम इन सबको प्लस कर लेना है. ए with the addition sign. Okay, a plus b plus c, हमने तीनों को ऐड कर लिया है. ठीक है, पैरामीटर क्या होता है, a प्लस बी प्लस सी, है ना. a प्लस बी प्लस सी होता है. सो टोटल क्या है, पैरामीटर क्या है इसका 42 है. ठीक है, इज इक्वल टू 42. हमें गिवन है पैरामीटर दैट इज 42, राइट. 42 cm. इधर तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होनी चाहिए, कोई प्रॉब्लम, राइट. नाउ नीचे आते हैं एंड A is, what is the value of A? 18, right? और B की वैल्यू क्या है? What is the value of B, right? It is 10 cm. 10. Okay. Now हमें क्या करना है, इन सबको प्लस करना है. A प्लस प्लस, just wait for a while. Okay, a plus b plus c. a plus b plus c is equal to कितना होगा, it will be 42 ऑब्वियसली. तो हमें क्या करना है, a की वैल्यू हमें पता है, b की वैल्यू पता है. a क्या है हमारा 18 है, b क्या है हमारा 10 है. हमें c को फाइंड करना है. तो हम c को फाइंड करने क्या करेंगे, let us see whether that sign is there or not. Okay, so it's okay. So C will be, हमें C को फाइंड करना है. A और B की वैल्यू हमें पता है. देखो A और B की वैल्यू हमें पता है तो C को फाइंड करने मुश्किल नहीं होगा. दैट इज़ 42. ओके, और 42 को हम माइनस करेंगे B माइनस A से. सॉरी, B माइनस, दिस इज द माइनस साइन, राइट. A वैल्यूज को पुट कर लीजिए. दैट इज 42 माइनस 18 माइनस 10, राइट. हमने तीनों की वैल्यू को हमने कर लिया है. ठीक है, ये क्या है, 18 और 10 किसकी वैल्यू है, A और B की वैल्यूज हैं. ठीक है, नाउ हमें C को फाइंड करना है. C को फाइंड करने के लिए क्या होगा, नाउ C इज इक्वल टू, C क्या होगा, ऑब्वियसली 42 माइनस 18 माइनस 10 कितना होता है, कितना होगा, इट विल बी, जस्ट इग्नोर दो साउंड्स. ओके, 14. सो हमने कितना C की हमने फाइंड कर लिया, दैट इज 14 C है. राइट। सी क्या है हमारा 14 cm। सी हमारा फाइंड हो गया। ओके, ना कुछ नहीं करना है हमें, पैरामीटर हमसे हमने सी को फाइंड कर लिया, मीन्स तीनों साइड्स को हमें फाइंड है। ए क्या है हमारा, व्हाट विल बी ए, इज 18, बी इज 10 एंड सी इज 14। ओके, सो हमें एरिया निकालना है। नाउ एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल, एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल। ओके, under root, right, under root, this is under root. What is the area of triangle? फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, s ब्रैकेट में s माइनस a then again s minus b, then again s minus c, राइट, दिस इज द फॉर्मूला। ये अंडर रूट है, ठीक है, अंडर रूट पूरा ऐसे जाएगा, है ना, पर इसमें सिंस इट इज फोन सो यू कैन अज्यूम लाइक दिस। नाउ एस, नाउ वी रोट वेयर S is equal to, S stands for semi parameter, right? S is not side, S is semi parameter. Now formula for semi parameter is what I told you, A plus B plus C. Okay, divided A plus B plus C wait, divided by, this is the divided sign, okay, divided by how much, 2, okay. Now when we divide it, it will be 21 cm, obviously it will be 21 cm, okay. This will be the semi parameter, value of semi parameter. Now again what we have to do, sorry, A plus B plus C divided by 2 is your 21, right? Now again we have to do area of triangle, right? Area of triangle is equal to, so again we have to, what we have to do, under root and substitute the value, that is 21 in the bracket, it will be 21 minus 19, okay. Again start the bracket, second is 21 minus next is what, the first one is 19, right? A is what, 19, A is 18, not 19, it's 18. Next is, next value is 10, right? And next is 21 minus next values, it's 10 and next is 14, okay. Now again what we have to do, area of triangle. Now we have to just subtract it. Okay, 21 minus 18, it will be 3. Okay, and 21 minus 10, it will be 11. 21 minus 14, it will be 7, right? Then we have to multiply 21 multiply 3 multiply 11 multiply 7 and just solve it. Furtherly, we got the under root, some under root, and then we got the area. Okay, let it. So we wrote the value under root 21 multiply 3 multiply 11 multiply 7. Now we have to multiply all these things. So in under root, it will come in under root, inside the under root. When we multiply these all the value, we got in under root. And again, when we do it in the form of root, so it is 21 under root 11, right? And in points, so it will be 69.69. Okay, and the unit will be same, centimeter square. Why? Because we are finding the area, centimeter square. This is the entire solution for it. Okay, what we did, we have to find the area, okay, of two sides. The two sides of triangle are given, that is 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively. We have to find the area. Perimeter is also given. So what we have to do, we have to just assume A, B, C will be the sides of the triangle. TRI stands for triangle. TRI means triangle, right? So perimeter, PERI stands for perimeter. Perimeter is equal to A plus, means sum of all sides. The formula for perimeter is sum of all sides, that is A plus B plus C. These are the sides of the triangle, right? And the perimeter will be 42. When we substitute the value of A and B, that is 18 and 10, right? So it will be A plus B plus C is equal to 42. So we know that A is 18, B is 10. We have to find the value of C. So when we find, how we find the value of C? Subtract 42 by the value of B and by the value of A. So when 42 minus 18, which is the value of B, and 10, which is the value of A, when we subtract these all the three things, we got this value of C, that is 14 cm. Now again, we have to find the area of triangle. For finding area of triangle, we have to write under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. This is the formula for finding the area of triangle of Heron, by Heron's formula, right? Where S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. This is divided by 2. This is divided sign. Okay, divided by 2. When we substitute A plus B plus C, the value of A, B, C, when we solve them, the formula will be 21 centimeter. Now again, we have to find the area of triangle, that is under root 21 and 21 minus 18, 21 minus 10, 21 minus 14. We know the formula, na? That formula is S minus A, S minus B, S minus T. So substitute the value of this and solve. The further answer will be 69.69 centimeters square. This will be the entire solution. If you want to take, you can take the screenshot of the question as well as the solution. So this is the question, okay, based on Heron's formula. Okay, let's do the further. Now let's see the area and parameter of quadrilaterals. Okay, we are going to see the area and parameter of quadrilaterals. Okay, so what is quadrilaters? Quad means 4. Okay, quadrilaters means, let me tell you what is quadrilater. Quadrilateral means quad. Quad means 4, right? Quad means 4. And laterals means side. Lateral means sides. Okay. A figure. Okay. A figure which have 4 sides. Okay. A figure which has 4 sides is known as quadrilaterals, isn't it? So what is quadrilaterals? Quad means 4, lateral means sides. Okay, means a figure which has 4 sides are known as quadrilaterals. Okay, now here are some case. Okay, case number 1, when one diagonal and perpendiculars to this diagonal from the remaining verticals are given. So the area is equal to, area of quadrilateral is equal to 1 upon 2 multiply one diagonal multiply sum of length of the perpendicular drawn on it from the remaining vertex. Okay, this will be the area then. Okay, what, 1 upon 2. Okay, 1 upon 2 diagonal multiply sum of length and the perpendicular drawn from it. This will be the area. So next case is case 2, when the diagonals of a quadrilateral cut each other at right angle. Means suppose I draw a quadrilateral. Okay, suppose this could be a quadrilateral. Okay, when I cut each diagonal, these are known as its diagonal, right? So each triangle, you can see this triangle, this triangle, this triangle, this triangle, these all are forming right angle, right? What it is forming, these are forming the right angle. No, sorry, so this is the wrong form, this is the wrong figure. Okay, this is the right figure. When we cut one edge of diagonal, okay, when the two quadrilateral of each side is known its right angle, this is the right angle, this is the right angle. When we cut here as well, cut this side as like this, so this will be your right angle as well, 4. Okay, so area of those quadrilateral is 1 upon 2 multiply product of diagonals, means 1 upon 2 and products means multiply what will be the product of these 4 diagonals. This is the case 2. Next is what, rectangle. Now these are the simple ones, right? Means the toughest one are these which we deal. Okay, and the next is rectangle. Now this is the easiest one, right? What is the area of rectangle? L into B, length multiplied by breadth, as I told you. Okay, I again told you, sorry. Suppose this is a rectangle, right? This is the rectangle. What is it? What is it? It is its what? Breadth. And it is its length, right? No, sorry, what I'm doing today, it is its length and it is its breadth. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, it is its length, it is its breadth, right? This is its length, this is its breadth. Okay, so the area of rectangle is L into B, means when we do the product of length and breadth. Okay, suppose length is 2 and breadth is 4, so when we multiply 2 multiply 4, that is 8. So this is the area of rectangle, right? Now parameter is 2L plus B, as I told you previously that 2L and 2B will form the parameter of rectangle, means 2 will become common. Okay, now length of its diagonal, what is it? Length of its diagonal, D is equal to under root L square plus B square. In the under root, when we do the square of length and square of B, suppose the square of length is 2 and B is 4, so it's 4 plus, means the square of 2 is 4 and the square of B, that is 4, that is 8. Okay, when you plus these all 4 and 8, so it will be 12, under root 12, and the under root 12 is, you can find. Okay, so this is the length of diagonal. Next is square. What is a square now? This is your square, right? Now the area of square is side square, means A square. A refers to side. Means why we are seeing this? Because all the sides of a square is same. Whether this side, whether this side, whether this side, all all will be same. Okay, suppose this is 2 2 2 2, so we add both of them, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, it will be 8. Okay, so this how we find the area of square, means side square. Okay, now parameter is 4 into side, means when we multiply 4 by side, by its side. Okay, suppose side will be, I again draw the figure, because without figure you can't understand. Figure is mandatory, that's why I am drawing it. Suppose this is the square. Okay, parameter of means the side will be, the a of square will be, suppose it's 4 centimeter, means side of square will be 4 centimeter. This is cm, right? This is cm. Now the formula is 4a. So when we multiply 4 by, because firstly the formula is 4. Okay, and a means side, so we are having side 4, so 4 4, so what will be the 16 will be the answer, 16 cm square. Okay, this is the parameter of square. Next is length of its diagonal. What is the length of its diagonal? That is d is equal to under root a square plus a square. Why a square? Because the sides of the square is same. Okay, is equal to under root 2 multiply a. Okay, next is parallelogram. What is now parallelogram? A figure whose parallel lines are equal, are same. How? Did it tell you? Sorry. Suppose this and this and sorry, let I again prepare it. Suppose this and this and this will be the parallelogram. I make it roughly, you know what is parallelogram, right? So what is parallelogram? The area. Here is only area, no parameter, no length of diagonal, nothing, just area. So what is the area of parallelogram? The area of parallelogram will be base multiplied by height, because parallelogram is equal to what? A rectangle, right? Next is rhombus. Rhombus is like square. It is the 3D figure, rhombus. It is not a 3D figure. What is the area of rhombus? It is 1 upon 2 multiply products of its diagonal. Again the same. Okay, 1 upon 2 means and products of its diagonals. Okay, area of rhombus, I am again telling you, area of rhombus will be 1 upon 2 multiply product of its diagonals. Means what will be the product of its diagonals? Suppose the product will be 4. So 1 upon 2 multiply 4. So 2 2s are 4. So will be, the area will be 2 centimeters. Okay. Next is trapezium. Okay, now what is this trapezium? Trapezium, what is the area of trapezium? The area of trapezium is 1 upon 2 multiply sum of parallel lines. Okay, because the lines, the upper two line, opposite line of a trapezium will be parallel, right? Multiply by distance between parallel sides. Okay, what is the trapezium? What is the area of trapezium? It is 1 upon 2 multiply sum of parallel sides multiply by distance between parallel. A trapezium is look like this. A trapezium is like this. What is the shape of trapezium? Like this. This is your trapezium, right? This will be your trapezium. Okay, what is the area of trapezium? 1 upon 2 multiply sum of parallel sides multiply distance between parallel sides. Suppose this will be the height. Okay, this will be the height, and this is your side A. Okay, and this is B. So these are the parallel sides, right? That's why it is known as trapezium. Means the area of trapezium is 1 upon 2 multiply sum of parallel sides multiply distance between parallel sides, right? So 1 upon 2 a plus b multiply like this, 1 upon 2 a plus b in a bracket and multiply by height, right? This is the trapezium. Okay, so this is the area of trapezium. Okay, next is area and circumference of circle. Now what is the circumference? Circumference is just parameter. Okay, we use circumference for circle. We know this thing, right? We use circumference for circle. Next one is area and circumference of circle, right? Okay, so there's some issue of disturbance, right? So sorry for the interruptions. Next is area and circumference of circle. Okay, so this is a circle, right? Suppose this is a circle. Okay, so what is area? The area will be pi r square. Okay, r pi r square. Okay, this, the area of circle will be pi r square. What is pi? Pi what is this? R is radius. Okay, the value of pi will be 22 upon 7. Okay, let I do one question regarding this area of circle. Okay, so this is the question on circumference of circle. Okay, so question is, the radius of a circle is 20 cm. What will be the circumference of circle? R, small r refers to radius. Radius is 20 cm, right? We have to find the, what we have to find? Circumference. Circumference means obviously the parameter, right? What will be the circumference then? Okay, we know the formula. Okay, we know the formula for circumference, that 2 pi r. Pi r. Okay, 2 pi r, this is the formula. Okay, so we know that the value of pi, what is the value of pi? You must know it. Okay, what is the value of pi? You should learn in fraction. I am asking in fraction. When we solve the question, till the value is not giving you in the question, you have to apply these fraction value. Okay, जब तक value आपको दी नहीं जाए कि इसकी value, pi की value 4.5 this है, तब तक आपने fraction वाली value ही लगानी है. ठीक है, तो fraction value is 22 divided by 7, right? This is the fraction. Okay, so value of pi is 22 divided by 7. Again multiply r. What will be the r then? The radius of circle is 20. Okay, 20. So if we solve it, so it will be 125.7, right? It is equal to this centimeter. Okay, if we solve it, so what will be the radius then? What will be the circumference then? 125.7 cm. Okay, this will be the circumference of the circle. Okay, so the circumference, this how we solve the question regarding the circumference of circle, right? So move ahead. Next is area of semicircle. What do you know by semicircle now? Semicircle means the circle which is like this. Semi. Okay, this is known as semicircle. Okay, half circle. Semi means half circle. Half moon, like Okay, so this area of semicircle is 1 upon 2 multiply pi r square. Since the circle is half, so we have to apply 1 upon 2. Okay, so 1 upon 2 multiply pi r square, and the last is what is the diameter of the circle. Okay, what is the diameter of circle? That is 2 multiply radius. Okay, so with this we come to the end of formulas. Okay, these are the most mandatory formula. If you want, you can take the screenshot as well. This is your first page and this will be your second page. Yeah, if you have any query, any confusion, anything, you can ask in the comment section right now. Okay, so you I solved some questions regarding the Heron's formula, regarding these some trapezium, and these all area, circumference. Okay, so these are some formulas. Okay, and we understood what is parameter. Okay, we understood what is area. So with this, we come to the end of the chapter, that is area and parameter of plane figure. We studied about the plane figure, right? And in 10th, till 10th, there is plane figure. Okay, so make sure keep these formula in your mind. This is very important, very mandatory. It will come not in your 10th, 11th, 12th and the upcoming life. Okay, till you have the mathematics and physics, anything like this. Okay, so this is the formulas. This is your first page. If you want, you can take the screenshot, and this is your second page. If you want, you can take the screenshot as well, right? So if you have any query, any confusion, you can ask in the comment section. Okay, till then, bye bye. And if you love it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe my channel if you didn't do it yet, and press the bell icon. Okay, if you didn't press the bell. Okay, so yeah, I'm Ritik Singh. Bye bye, and yeah, stay tuned for more videos. And if you didn't saw my upcoming video, the previous video, so go in the playlist. And yeah, sorry for the background noise. It is very disgusting. It interrupted me, the vehicles and the people, the fellows. So sorry for that. I can't do anything. You have to just listen my voice. Just listen my voice. Ignore all those nasty boys. Just listen my voice. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And yeah, keep learning. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.